Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of my birthday purchase. I know it looks like I'm doing a lot of purchasing during my birthday month, and I assure you this is the last of the series. Now I have the first item I have to show you is an Hermes item. You can probably tell from the size of the box that this is a jewelry piece. So I will just undo the ribbon and let's take a look. This is a sterling silver ring in the style Chaine Enchainee. Sorry if I've killed the French there, in a small model. What I like about this ring is that it's quite elegant looking. The ring itself is very smooth. It fits onto my finger nicely, even though it is of a thicker sort of texture to my in comparison to my other rings. It is very comfortable and smooth, so I definitely will be wearing this quite casually when I go out, and I think it will fit on to a more casual look. Now I have the next item, which is a Celine item. Now I initially was looking for a similar item in Louis Vuitton. However, they didn't have the style that I wanted, and when the essay actually showed me other styles, I actually found that I don't quite like the canvas they use for this particular item, as it has the texture is just way too hard for my liking. So I went to check out a similar item in Celine, and I ended up making the purchase. So this is a notebook cover in canvas. Now there are two notebook cover sizes that you can get in Celine. One is a large size and this is the medium size. As you can see, it's a beautiful lambskin lining on the inside in tan color. And you've got two card slots here that you can put sort of cards and other sort of small receipts, as well as a larger size slot. And as you can see, the outer is canvas, and the inner is lambskin lining. Now what I like this in comparison to the Louis Vuitton notebook cover is that it is a lot more flexible, and with the soft lambskin lining, it can fit up to an A5 size notebook. And here I have a Migos notebook. So just to show you, initially it is a bit of a tight fit, but I think that's because it's brand new, but I've measured up the size. It actually should fit quite nicely. So I'm just putting the other side into the back here. Yes, it is a bit tight, and you need to just push it through a little bit at the beginning. And again, I think it's because my notebook, the actual notebook, it's quite soft, the cover, so sometimes it's just difficult to push it into a harder leather lined canvas. So here it is, completely inserted into the notebook cover now. So here you've got the Celine Triomphe logo on the canvas, and a buckle here. Again, the side buckle bit is all in lambskin leather, very soft to touch, and the notebook fits very nicely inside the cover now. So yeah, why do I need a notebook cover? Because I do bring this to work every single day, and what I found is because this is a task notebook, so it does take me a while to completely use up all the pages in the notebook, and by then all the traveling has made the notebook original cover quite worn and tattered, and that's why I wanted to get a notebook cover to protect it. I will just show again with my previous A5 size notebook. As you can see, it goes in a lot easier now after the initial first go. I think the leather just needs to give way a little bit, and yeah, as you can see now, it slides in a lot more easier. There we go. So yeah, very happy with this purchase. Now it's gonna make my work a lot more enjoyable when I use this task list to keep track of all the jobs that I need to do. You can see at the back here, it's got the Celine in gold foil printed onto the leather strap at the buckle. Yes, so what do you guys think? I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. See you next time. Bye.